who are we feeding the data to? Is this owners? Is this production managers? Is it production team? Like, how does manufacturing get better by embracing this type of data analytics?
Sure. Answer to the first question is that we're feeding it to everyone in the company. It unifies, what we've seen is that it unifies people in the front office, where the leadership team is, production meetings, and the entire factory floor. So by putting this in several of the factories we've installed it in, large TV screens for everyone to see, not hiding anything, we've seen adherence to cycle time improve by 20%. First parts produced, because that's one of the elements that we track as part of this analysis that we do. If the shift starts at 7 a.m., we were seeing first parts produced at 8:45. Do the math on $130 per hour shop cost. That's lost revenue. All of a sudden, you put that up for people to see, it starts to slide back towards 7 a.m. Or management comes in and says, what if we had a person come into the building at 6 a.m., an hour before the shift starts, to do warm-ups on the machines so that when the operators show up, their machine is warmed up, coolant levels are checked, filters are cleaned, let's get them started. It's about efficiency. That's efficient. And so everyone sees it, everyone participates. It's a unifying force in the company.